Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do the unboxing of this new hubcaps that's been sent over by Basenor. So recently, as if you guys watched the channel, we installed the brake calipers, and I removed the I had the original hubcaps on, and a lot of people saying that I should remove it, but now with this new hubcap that's been sent over, we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna slap it on and see how well it goes with the red calipers, and I'll probably take it for a ride, and so you guys can see how it looks on the car itself. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So by the way, Basenor, they do specialize a lot of Tesla aftermarket. So if you guys interested in any of the Tesla, like the I have in my my car, which is the mud flap, and I got the sunroof, and I got the windshield. If you guys haven't seen any of those videos, make sure you check on it. I'll list it on the link up here or somewhere in the description for you guys. But yeah, so this is how they package it. Looks like each comes in individually, so nicely packed. Okay, so you can see they do package really nice. You got what, bubble wrap. Ooh. Wow. I had a similar one like to this, but I scratched it. So luckily now I have this to put it on. So you can see it looks really nice. It looks like what, like the performance model, right? And let's see what it comes with inside each individually. So they have like this they have, this is what it comes with in each wheel, and they have this. Ooh, look at this. They got it in white, and I think they have it in red too, I believe. Let's check it out. So this goes on to here, right? So they have red as well too. Oh my God, this is gonna go well with my car because I have a red one. There you go, baby. Once I remove the clear plastic covers on top, it looks awesome. All right, so how many comes with? 2, 4, 5,
Look at it.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It actually comes in black as well. So black, white, and red. Awesome. So you know what? They give you the option to pick and choose whichever you want. Some people like going all black. Some want red. Some want white. Right? And this one, what it does is you're gonna put this along the side of it. So this is gonna help with the vibrations, okay? And then I'm gonna show you guys the installations, okay? But I think that let's open the rest of them and see. Let's see. All right, so let's put this aside over here. Okay, so another. This is the second one. Again, the way they package this is really nice. You know, you're gonna receive your hubcaps in good, excellent conditions. Very nice, factory, beautiful. Okay. So I think nó giống nhau with the rest. Yeah. We're gonna install this piece. Just do it along the side of it. This is just to help with the vibrations. Okay, so just easy. Just go along the side as we go. And this one is, it also protect the rim from the hubcaps as well, so it doesn't scratch. Wait. just take your time, you know. Just go along the edges. Alright, so this is what it should looks like once you finish. So you just, you know, the black one-sided tape, and you can just go all around. And this, now we're just gonna just slap it onto the vehicle and see how it looks. So to install this, it's kind of easy too. Just make sure, you know, the valve hole right here, so make sure you line it up, and then you just snap it in. Once it's in, just make sure you go up along the side of it. There we go. Then we just put on, depending on your taste or preference. If you want black, then you put on the black one. But in this case, I have a choice. Let me ask my wife. What do you want, baby?
Red.
Red, huh? So we're gonna slap on the red one, because we like red. Where's red? Here you go. Here's the red one. So it's easy, just peel from the back. We got two sides. No, it's good. It's the same, mà. Đâu cần phải đúng mà. Come on. Here we go. Okay, so just make sure we line it up in the center and slap it on. And then just remove the white plastic, clear plastic. This one right here. Peel it off to reveal the nice color. There we go. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the installations. As you can see, the red calibers, and it looks exactly like the performance. Okay, and also if you guys watch my last my video, you know that these motors, they're a performance motor. So once the warranty expire, I'm gonna upgrade to release the potential of the performance with the Engine X. Okay, hopefully Engine X hear about this program or this video, and they're gonna sponsor me with that once we can get it started as well. But right now, I'm just gonna finish up the remaining three, and then we're gonna do test drive, and then you're gonna see how it actually looks on the vehicle. All right, this is our last one. Just line it up and push it in. Once it's in the center, just hit it. There we go. Yeah, done. There you go. Pretty much it. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is very simple and very straightforward. And right now, this is the looks in the vehicle. It looks really nice. I'm really, really in love with it. You know what I mean? I like the color. The color of it, it's nice. I love it. It goes well with the wheel. Let's see, I probably need to put a little bit of dressing on my tires to match up with the new hubcaps. But I'm really happy with the way it looks on the car. Okay, so with the brake calipers showing it nice. It looks like a performance to me, but you know what I mean? Other than that, I'm really happy. Once again, this is The brand name is Basenor. If you guys interested in purchasing or buying stuff like the hubcap like this, I'll list it in the descriptions part, so where you guys can just click on it and make the purchase. Once again, they do make good products, so you might want to check them out. They not only do hubcaps, they do have other stuff as well too, like for the shade for the sunroof, the hubcaps, and the windshield, as well as this one. So I'm really amazed. I really like it. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.